In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email account to Zoho CRM. Connecting your mailbox to Zoho CRM lets you track conversations alongside your leads and deals, so your team always has the full context. We'll walk through the process inside the CRM, and I'll share a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by opening Zoho CRM in your browser and signing in if prompted. Once you're on the home screen, look for the settings icon, usually the gear in the top corner. Click it to open the admin area. If you don't see settings, you may need the appropriate permissions from your administrator, since email configuration is often a controlled feature. Inside settings, use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need. Type email configuration, and you should see options related to mail settings and compose preferences. This search saves time and takes you straight to the right section, even if your menu layout looks a little different. Next, select email to open the email configuration area. This is where you add your desired email account and fine-tune how messages behave inside the CRM. You'll typically see choices for popular providers like Gmail, Microsoft 365, Zoho Mail, or a custom IMAP SMTP option. Pick the provider that matches your mailbox. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate. Most providers use secure sign-in with a brief permissions window. Approve access so Zoho CRM can send and read emails on your behalf. If you're using a custom server, enter the IMAP and SMTP details supplied by your IT team and keep the security settings at their recommended defaults. After authentication, you may be asked about defaults and preferences. This is a good moment to set the connected mailbox as your default from address for outgoing messages and to review composed settings like your email signature and reply behavior. Keeping a clear, professional signature that includes your role and company details helps recipients recognize you and improves deliverability. When the connection finishes, your email address will appear in the email section as connected. That's your confirmation that the setup worked. If anything fails during connection, double-check that your credentials are correct, that your provider allows IMAP or API access, and that any security prompts were approved. Sometimes a quick refresh of the CRM page helps display the new status. That's it. You've added your email account to Zoho CRM. From here, you can compose directly from records and keep conversations tied to the right contacts and deals, so nothing slips through the cracks.